What is up, everyone? Happy Saturday. About to take the S2K out, give it a nice little wash down. Start the weekend, got a nice little 3-day weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. And then, that same week, we'll be heading out to California. I'm excited, I can't wait to go. Gonna get to see my cousin, see some of the car culture out there. I'm gonna be at Tuner Evo. So if you guys are gonna be out there, please come out to Tuner Evo. Come say what's up to your boy, because it should be a good time. Let's get some POV shots, guys. Haven't done this with the GoPro in a minute. Alright, so now I'm gonna use some wheel cleaner. Get these wheels all cleaned up because they've been dirty for a long time. Alright, what's good, guys? So I just finished washing the car and stuff. Mark just hit me up and said, yo, we're about to go pick up the GTR if you want to mob with me to go get it. And I was like, of course! GTR has been missing for all this time, bro. I'm like, yeah, I'm down. So, about to hurry up and head over by Mark's and, you know, go meet with him and then go get the GTR. I think we're gonna Uber to go get the GTR. So that way we both could ride in the same car coming back. Where's my keys? I'm all over the place. I'm trying to hurry up. I just washed my mom's car, so I know she's happy about that. Used all the Adams polishes and stuff like that, so I know she's happy her car is out there shining. And it's pretty warm outside today too, which is a plus. I'm over here type sweating, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I feel like I'm about to get sick because my nose feels funny and all that. But I already told you guys, this is my favorite part, putting on the seatbelt. Sometimes it's annoying to get into, but for the most part, I enjoy it. Yeah. Just turn on the steering wheel. Fire. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. It's misfits of my whole mentality. Just pulled up to the shop. They got all the windows down. Garage open. Hey, do you guys change windshield wiper fluid here? Do you change windshield wiper fluid? Okay. Think my windshield wiper fluid is low.
Do you even have the bottles filled with this?
Should. I don't know. I don't know, I just felt like rolling up saying some bullshit. Air it out a bit, feel me? I love pulling up to the shop, especially when they got mad cars out here. Yeah. Got the spoon hardtop on it. Alright, we just got some Chick-fil-A. Now we about to go pick up the GTR. I mean, this parking lot is pretty weird. Why don't you go that way? So, to be honest with you guys, before I got the S2K, I was supposed to buy a FRS or a BRZ, but I couldn't find one in manual. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna end up getting the S2K, so I ended up getting the S2K. I saw the S2K a month before I actually bought it, which was pretty cool. I went out to Florida to Simply Clean, and then when I came back, I was like, yo, I just gotta get the car, because I seen so many S2Ks in Florida, and they were like mad cool. I was like, yeah, I definitely gotta own one. So when I came back, the S2000 I went to go see, which is the one that I drive now, it was still sitting there and I was like, yo, I want it, and I bought it. Damn. GTR is almost done. What body kit is it? The VARIS? The VARIS. Damn. Your boy's car been down for mad long. It's finally done. It's getting washed up and everything now. Damn. It looks like the Batmobile. Oof. 50 mil?
Big boys! Matt?
Damn, put it for the Nismo in the back. Got the Nismo wheels. So you can fill out that gap. Nice.
At ShopRite.
Yeah.
Some guy killed his parents over there.
This thing looks like the Batmobile. That shit fits now. It's nice. Yeah. Damn. This looks like it has a good amount of clearance too. Yeah. Yeah. This is the before with no spacer. See that sunken in wheel? Here's the after. Nice. Alright, so you see them over there. Woo! Thing looks crazy. It looks like a whole Batmobile. Alright, so we just came back from picking up the GTR, and I came in the driveway and I fucking got stuck in the mud, so now we're stuck. It's like a nah, the FRS, you can't even see over the dash. Like, I'm driving, I'm like, alright. And the damn car got stuck. MP, don't get stuck. MP about to get stuck next.
You think I'll get stuck?
Oh, look. He say he's going through. CRV gang.
Strap? It's in the car. In the car.
It's cold.
Here. I'm gonna back up and then.
CRV to the rescue. Fucking got the FRS stuck. It's all in the mud stuck. Woo.
Back up a bit. Back up.
I was about to say, did he think he pulled it or what? Yeah, or you probably gotta put it in drive.
Back, more.
More. Alright.
Oh.
Wait, is he out though?
Try to move forward a bit. There you go.
Shit.
Back up a bit.
Fucking got stuck.
Alright, good.
CRV to the rescue. Damn. He went back through the mud again. Damn, Mark, new wheels.
Never failing this boy.
Yeah. While my car's sitting over here chilling.
I feel like all like much.
It is. Well, at least you're driving a GTR.
Goddamn.
New wheels.
Leave it in there.
See, the one that he has in his GTR is the updated version. Do the turn thing so they can see it. See? So when he turns the steering wheel, it shows it. Oh, that's fire. So he hit the indicator.
Turn signal.
Yeah, that's fire. So that should be the one that I'm gonna get for the S2K. It also has different like settings and modes that you can look at and see.
Well, you can see the miles per hour. You gotta like really look at it.
Yeah, so you see the miles per hour right there. Probably just gotta pull it, bring it back some.
It's very hard with the lights.
Yeah, but it shows the miles per hour.
There's one recorded.
That one was hard. I felt that shit crazy. I need a GTR in my life. Sheesh. God damn.
This guy almost tried to hit me.
Oh. That's because he's trying to record you. You over there not paying attention, trying to record at the same time.
Yeah, like, I saw him in my rearview mirror. Like he like almost hit me. I'm like, what are you doing?
Oh, it said Dave and Buster's over there. That's where we should have went.
What?
It says a Dave and Buster's over there. That's where we should have went. All of us. You could have played some games.
Games, drinks,
I didn't know it was a Dave and Buster up here. Both out here getting gas. Mark's heading back to Brooklyn. I'm going down the turnpike.